Hello, everybody. Hope you're doing well. As usual, late. So the market is going down right now. So yeah, expecting they to go a little bit up before they fell, but it is what it is. Today we have to be very cautious. Let me see what we can see. So they taken the equal low. Yeah. So oh, nothing to do. Just watch. Because yesterday, if you saw my stream, I was saying that this gap, so hope today they come here. But today will be very problematic price action because there will be lots of things coming up a little bit later. Lots of fun will be there, but they didn't come up. So actually, truly speaking, this going low was predicted in the beginning because they actually efficiently traded every place except this gap. If you see, this one is untraded gap. So in the bullish case, 1 hour gap, this one I'm gonna be let's say low of the new week opening gap. That is could be the area, but in a bearish case, these are the gaps. So that's what I have to keep in mind. That's what is my thinking. Okay, so if I go to 15 minutes, if you see here, uh, look, this been already traded. This gap traded already. So is there anything there? Nothing. So only on the top, that is the only area left. See, if they go that far, we don't know what's gonna happen. It can be, because the market is practically long term is still, I would say, not bearish yet. It's bullish. Look, see, I mean, how they came. Okay, there was a SMT here with ES, but it's still like no idea. So we have to be careful. Okay, already they traded the fast presented gap, trading under the new day opening gap. I cannot just short it like that because they didn't even taken any liquidity on the top. I mean, can you short it? Yeah, why not? But I'll wait. Today, really, it will be a difficult price action. So if I don't have any trade, I'll not take trade. See, if we take this trade, it just up to here. This is 40 now. Yeah, 0, 0 maybe. Up to there could be a chance of going down. Uh, what is 0, 0 meant? Like 27,100 maybe. Let's see what they do. How they fell is not a nice thing to do, you know. I was expecting them to at least give it a poke, a little bit upward, and then fall. Anyways, let me analyze. Nothing else to do here. If we go to 15 minutes, it's doing its job. There is a 1 hour gap they can trade. Okay, let me mark it. Alrighty. This kind of day, I see said it is better to trade pre-market when there are news like that. Today's bombshell news day. I could lose the account, but these kind of days you can lose account like here and there because a little bit later the market will just do what is it called? It will consolidate for the news. So hope in the beginning we have some trade, but this one, how can I trade? It's already gone too far. Anytime it can reverse back, so no idea. So better to be observing. Okay, so that's the only things you can do right now. Because I don't want to sell it from here because they didn't do any manipulation on the top. Look, this one could have gone up, but still bearishness is there to go until, let's say if it is 1 hour, if I go, look, there is a gap here. This gap maybe 20 pass, okay, 33 they came, yeah. There are chances there to go there. So I'm keeping my mind open Today is like, I have no idea what gonna happen. You can see that I didn't take any trade. I'm just cautiously observing. So if you see from 1 minute, look how many equal low they left it here. It's all, sorry, equal high. If you see this one, why is the not working, man? What the is it? Yeah, these kind of things, So I thought they should have, this one, did they take it? Yeah, look, these are equal high as well. But in, I think NQ, they have taken this one. They poked it to this gap. So this going low is all right until the, what is it called? The gap, 1 hour gap. Anyways, if there is no trade, there is no trade. What can I say? You cannot force trade. I can't force it. Hopefully, they will give us trade. It's not a big deal. They always give you trade, isn't it? Always you'll get a trade. Lunchtime again. This kind of area I would have taken chance. I could actually from 860. But if this one was taken like a little bit high, but now it will be risky. Let them prepare a, what is it called? Order block. It's a risky trade. Low of a new day opening gap, just here. Can they go bullish from here? Why not? But they should have come there if they were bullish. So bearishness should be still on. I'll try to sell it. Let's see if I get an opportunity. Okay. Let's see what they do. It's better they give you a chance to close under, but the should have entered from there as well. Ah, missed it. I should have entered it. So now what I'm gonna do? Because they created a gap here. So until the closing under, there is nothing to do. If they close, we'll see. But they can easily bounce back from there as well. A big gap they created. So fast presented gap is holding. This is price is under the new day opening gap. Everything is positive. They're saying only thing they didn't do 9:30 open. They didn't do nothing on the top. That's the only problem. Anyway, step read. We are tape reading. That's the only things you can do. Yeah, this is a short as well out to me, but only problem is this gap. If they go a little bit up, we can try it with the stop loss there, but with one we should try it. Otherwise, I'll say, oh, I didn't take the trade. Okay, so this is my stop loss will be on the top of that. If they stop me out, I'll take $40 loss. They should not come here if they want to go. They should have gone through this gap now if they want to fall, because this one they created a order block kind of. So I'm trusting only this one. If they stop me out, I'll take stop out, and then we'll regroup ourselves again. They should not take this high if they actually gonna go down. So yeah, it's like a fighting. Only thing is that they're doing it because they have a gap here. Yeah, and then they didn't do the manipulation on the top side. So yeah, could be stop out, but hopefully don't get a stop out. If they stop me out, then I'll re-enter it back again. Yeah, it's fine. We'll take it. So now what? They went to this area, midpoint of the new day opening gap. Will I not try again? Yeah, I would. But this one will be again, this one is like I just retook it because I don't want to miss it, okay? But it's not a good trade. It's like catching the falling knives kind of things. So what do? You take a loss again. Hopefully they don't come here. How much I'm gonna take? 40 again. It will not be good sign actually. This is I should actually build it up a little bit more because 40 now. These are the last area. They can 930 opening price is on the top. They have to go through if they want to go down. Okay, this candle should have gone down, and let's see how they react to this gap. Now they don't doing it. I think they are trying to be bullish. Still, the fast presented gap holding, but is not a good sign of, not a good way they're holding. Yeah, so they're coming to 930 maybe 930 price. Only thing is that they didn't. I didn't like it that they didn't actually traded the, this area. They should have traded this gap. Then if they gone high, I would have trusted it. But now it's, to me, it's look like a sell to me. I don't know. What can I do? But if they close vigorously, I'll add more. So this is the high, is the last high. So what I'm gonna do, as soon as they close my stop loss, I'll bring it back here to lose less. They didn't do nicely, so this one is not a good sign. So it's better to get stop out as well if they don't do it, okay, on the top. Well, how many times they're gonna do that? This is the area I want to be out. If they have to fall, they have to fall now. Otherwise, they cannot fall. It's better I eat. No, sign is not good. But I'll retry. Okay, this time I'm gonna wait now. And I'm gonna trade with a little bit bigger size because now 3. Let's see. Last, don't say from here you're gonna work. 43, it doesn't have that much time left. So this is the last, what is it called? So much FOMO to sell it, man, but not a good things to do. Stop loss will be there on the rejection block. I cannot take more loss. If they have to do it, they have to do it now, otherwise they don't have time. At least with one, I'll be out fast. Yeah, fast out, a little bit take loss prevention, because this one didn't do it. They created this one, but now not falling, so not a good sign. They're holding here. They should not go midpoint. Rejection block, stop me out. That's it, done. Let's take a little bit up. This is the area. If they don't fall, they gonna take out this high. So I'm just hoping that they they fall here. At least with 2, I can recover the losses. They should close here now if they want to go down. 1 minute left. I don't know what they're gonna do. So this candle will tell us what they're gonna do. What do you think? They can come back to this gap easily. They can come back to this gap, and after that they could go. But they are still one hope is that they closed under the what is it called? Another new day opening up. I hope they don't give me a poke and then fall. Good job done, man. BUC, Bank of Canada's rate 2.25. They hold the rate. Come on. But now again they came to that little gap again. So I'm taking another one out. So just to be break even. I don't want to lose too much, then I have to recover because I trade with a small size. So I mean, this one is enough. At least recover the losses. Idea was good, but the thing execution again poor. This what the hell is coming? All this shit. Sorry for that. Let me see trading execution mark execution price line. Uh, we don't need it. Do we need it? I don't know. This one we hold it. Okay. So if they can go through this gap, it will be interesting, but I'm thinking they will take at least this low. Come on, don't stop here. Or if they stop here, means we are done. We toasted. Actually, you know what? Maybe I should take the things out for the time being, and then we'll sit down for. I know it's gonna go down. Now look, this is not good. Because this one is if they can hold it from here. That's what I'm saying. So better trade will be if they close down there. What they're doing now? Which side they're gonna go? If they create the gap, I'll try again, but with only with one. If they create one gap on the top, okay. So 17 seconds left. Yeah, they rebalanced it, so there is nothing. So they just came on the bottom of the first presented gap. This one could be the entry and stop loss there. It's like a 50-50 trade. Should I go for 50-50 trade? Because they're holding this gap. They're holding this gap. Yep. They're holding this gap, and they went high to take out the. Okay, not bad. If they close, let's see if they close on the top of it. Good sign. Okay, now let them do their job. I think I'm trading too many trades, so better I don't do that. ES is just hovering around yesterday's low. They should take the low, I think. But the question is how. Until the closing under this gap, the trade should not be that good. Look, where they came. Rejection block. I don't know. Short is more favorable. Okay, if they close, then we'll see. If they close vigorously, but why they couldn't just take the high and then fall? Because with ES already, they did a little, what is it called? SMT kind of things, but I'll not consider it as SMT because ES created a gap. If ES vigorously close on the top, what is not doing, one of my chart is completely missing. I don't know what's going on. Data missing. Maybe I have to close the chart and open it back again. Problematic price action is not problematic. It's like because I didn't like it because they didn't come to trade this gap. 1 hour this gap. Look, lots of people will say, oh, they already traded it. But how many points? Yeah, I don't like this kind of. If they just booked here, it's going up, I would have trusted it. But they did like this, I don't trust them. I'm still thinking that they will come down. How? I don't know. Because what they're doing right now is just creating problem. Today, being you have to be. I have to try to be just green. That would be a positive. Oh, let me see news. Where is Mr. News? I think they kicked me out. Yesterday my computer had lots of problem. Yeah, look, see. I don't know what to do. Is this sign up? No, cannot do that now. I'm live. Let me take it to the other screen. Let's see. So this one telling me that they're going up. Eh? Let's say how they trade this gap. Is it after that they will stop? I don't know. They are now trading on the top of 930. Done. Buy it, sell it, whatever you like to do it today. I shouldn't have recorded today. No, I'm just not feeling 100% to trade. Yes, it's gonna be like that. But my idea is to go down here. Anyways, don't need to predict. Nothing to do here. Okay. Google account. Okay. There you go. The news is here. So today we have bombshell news coming up. FMC at 2 o'clock. Then we have, look, how many? One, two, three, four. All the big company got their earnings today. Then I think another thing is going on is like they are discussing about the new Fed chair to, like, I think he will testify or something like that. There will be something going on, and this person will talk anyways. I don't know. Very funny. Yeah, so the interest rate should be, they should like hold the interest rate. That's what everybody expecting, I guess. Anyways, this is not our things to uh, study too much. So here, what they're doing, should I trade? I don't know. Now they came back, see, just taken the high, poked it, now coming down. ES created a gap there, so yeah, let's see if ES close under. I'm observing ES as well, so I mean, I cannot just take a trade from here. You can. Just putting the stop loss on the top of that because this one taken liquidity and just trying to grind. But I will take the confirmation from ES. Look, ES already jumped. They're coming back to the fast presented gap. ES coming back to their fast presented gap. Let's see how they react from 930. Let me eat. Actually, bullish side, I don't have no planning. Only things I told you beginning of the stream. This is the gap they didn't trade it. Rest of the things they already done it. So if they go and close it and go there and try to go all-time high, no idea. They can do that. But these are the area I'm gonna be interested. EH wrist is look this gap. Only this high they left it. So yeah, I'm looking for lower price. I mean, I'm can be absolutely wrong today because look this gap holding. If 1 hour gap, so there are two gaps. This one is holding. Okay, they don't need to come here. 15 minutes gap. They this is the inversion. So they basically came to the 50% of the inversion. Now, if you take the order block opening price, look, body didn't close under. So, like, actually, sign is bullish, but I'm not that much bullish. So, I mean, like, I have to trade one side. I cannot just, I can trade both sides, but the problem is that I have to keep my things, my bias. Anyways, I'm not talking now. Let's a little bit check. Let's see how they close this one. Then after that, what they do. To me, bearish smell is more. I'm not bullish actually. I cannot think of bullishness. It can be, why not? But I would prefer if it go down from here, daily candle. Yeah, they can easily close down on the top and then because the market is absolutely long-term bullish. But they didn't do retracement. That's the only things I'm thinking about. Okay, 10 a.m. 10 a.m. now. Let's see where they take us. To me, look. It would be nice if they take out something from here and then go down. If they go down now, I don't know what to do. ES traded 930, then they actually inversed. Can be a short. Shall we try it? It's gonna be like a risky short. These are, why didn't do this one a little bit upside? See, I don't want to be FOMO. Let's give them a setup and then we'll try. Let's create gap. Come on, don't fall now. Give us entry here. This spoke, I didn't like it. If they would gone to take out all this high, then they fell like that, it would be nicer. But this one can come just down there and then can do lots of things. If they taken out this low, now let's see how they trade from this area. So one candle close on the midpoint of the first presented gap. Let's see how they trade now. So these are the area. If it is bullish, they should go up because they've taken out the low. This one I'm sacrificing it. Traded 930 price. Very, very problematic price action it will be. It will not move, to gyrate, go high, leave the high. This is the FOMO entry. Because if I even enter from there, at least it would be, this is just gonna be lost. This kind of days is so bad. It didn't go, see? So what's gonna happen? They will bounce back from here. Because today's opening price. Loss. Can be lucky. Proper FOMO, huh? Gonna go. So same thing, yeah. So they are creating problem. So they closed it, they not going. No power. Better to be out. With this one now, kind of they created this one is order block, but stop loss definitely has to be on the top of that. But what I can achieve are nothing. Okay, so that's the things. It's better to be out. I would say. If they give any chance, just there's nothing happening. See what I'm gonna do? Hold it. This. Look at this. Did it go? No. So what should I do? Cut it. Not cut it. Should cut it. It's not a good trade at all. This is because look, they closed it, the no follow through. So what should you do? With on the top of the 930. Sorry, today's opening price. Then it will be so bad if I cut it immediately. There's a, oh sorry, I just pressed it. I don't know by mistake. My hand just was on the hotkey, so somehow it got pressed. Anyways. Sorry, guys. I was eating. There's nothing happening, okay? Because it's just they don't know what they're doing even. To me, if you ask me, is to me is I see only lower price, but from here they can do anything. Today, you know, they're not gonna run one side or another side. They will do like that. The question is that will they hold this 15 minutes gap? That's the question. Okay. We got 2 minutes left. Let's see. Okay, they came back to 930 price again. Okay, they're going high. ES now taken out the 930 price high. Let's see if ES give us a like a good opportunity to go down. So, all right. Oh my God, this because of this this indicator. After every time, you know, it's okay. They're closing it like this. 1 minute left to close this 15 minutes gap. Sorry, 15 minutes candle. So 1 hour saying what they're saying. Let me see. Okay. So they went high, traded this one, they came back, traded here, they came back. Now they traded down there and they came back. This one, does it deserve a little bit more? Yeah, it was like tiny bit more maybe. Okay, okay, okay. So yeah, it would be nice if it gone tiny bit up than that. Means like the opening price of the what is it called? 10 o'clock opening price. Where is was this? This one. Yeah. This is the opening price. If they traded on the top of that and give something, isn't it? This is the opening price. Let me see. I'm just talking to myself, okay? So I mean, I know it's not a good sign, but this is the price. At least this high they should trade. I don't know. Okay, now the new 15 minutes candle opened. Let me see properly. So 1 hour didn't do any retracement. They just traded on the low of that gap. 930. Yeah. So now this one taken out this high and they're creating a again a order block here. But how can you trade? Look, there's no follow through. Let it go through. Give us a, like a little bit of like a proper what is it called? Expansion. Then maybe I could do something. I think I don't want to record it anymore because there is no point, you know, because it's gonna be a big recording. There is nothing happen. I already explained how I felt today. I didn't trade it. It's just some chances I took and then got like that. If I have any trade, you'll see on my PNL. Today, I want to try to just keep my mental capital. Hopefully, I don't do stupid mistakes and blow the account. Lots of time I did it. You say, why they're not moving? Why they're not moving? You know, then you'll take over leverage trade. These things can happen. And it happened to me before on this kind of day when there was a big earning and Fed meeting together. Very, very difficult price action until you will little bit later it will start spiking. You will see. So all of a sudden you'll say, boom, it's gone high. You'll say, okay, let me buy it. And it will come down. And it will take down again. That's what they did. I mean, from my previous experience. I don't know if they're gonna do it today, but that's why I want to be careful. And thanks for being with me and you guys watching my videos. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is helpful, please, I mean, you don't have to do anything anyways. Just if you like it, just that's enough for me. Okay. So hope to like do some good things, next time. So tomorrow we can try trade better because tomorrow the market should move. Tonight they will absorb the all the volatility and everything. They'll decide what they're gonna do. They'll put money later on. But this one, if they move from 10:30, maybe there could be something, but they didn't do anything. 10:30, maybe there could be something, but around 11 o'clock to that news time, I don't want to be part of this because this is very, very problematic price action. Okay. So you have a good day, and then sorry for today. It was nothing happened, so I cannot do nothing. I could entertain you some other way, but as it is a recording, not a live stream, there's no point of saying lots of things, you're not gonna listen anyways. So better, like I keep my mental capital, and I'm not teaching you anything here. I'm just actually just showing my uh, one of the experience I'm gathering up. So I'm just putting it there. If you want to watch it, watch it. Hopefully, it will be helpful for you who never got funded ever in their life. So this is the struggle. That's how it is so difficult. Look, I could just, I don't know how to show you. Maybe details. Okay, here you go. So this is the account. It's going like this. Every day, little, I'm gathering up, and then I'm going. I know it's like very boring. You want to see like a big day, like first day was big means like 500, but you can pass it in 2 days. I did so many times 2 days passing, like 1500 and next day 1500. I have to go a little bit big. So I mean, then will I trade like this in when I'm funded? No. So that's why I'm saying like it's better just trade like this. So they just traded the opening price I was talking about. 10 o'clock. Anyways, I'm not making the video bigger. So it is what it is. If I take a trade, you'll see. Okay. Have a nice day. I hope to see you tomorrow and hope we'll have a better trading day. Bye. Take care.